So guys, we are here for lashes and brows. Say hey to Imani.
Guys.
And y'all, she does way more than just brows and lashes. A bitch just bald headed. Like a bitch, you see I'm bald on my eyes and my brows. So she gonna hook me up. But if y'all need teeth whitening, if you need your coochie wax, your underarms wax, if you need any of that, hit her up. Oh, and she does facials too, y'all. She did my facial on, was that Sunday?
It was Sunday, yeah.
Yeah, what facials do you provide?
So I do acne treatment. If you have texturized skin, aged skin, hyperpigmentation, you'll just let me know your skin concerns, and then I'll get customize the facial for you.
Yep, so I'm gonna link all her stuff in the description box below, so look out for that. But yeah, I'll see y'all at the appointment. That was ugly. Okay. But alright, y'all, I'll see y'all after the appointment. Mwah. Thank you. These are the lashes. These are the hybrid sets. These look really good, y'all. Y'all know I got some big ass eyes, so I gotta be careful what I get, but these look great. And oh, so I couldn't do my brow tint today, y'all, because I'm running late. I got some errands to run, but we're gonna reschedule that. So they look really good. So I'm gonna put all the information in the description box below. This is hybrid, but she do offer classic, volume, and mega volume. Oh, and what's it called when you put the color on the end?
So just highlights. So you can do highlights or decals.
So she does offer highlights as well. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all later. Okay, y'all, so don't mind this Pimp Daddy jacket I got on. I'm just cold. But we are doing a brow lamination and tint, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And wax. You would think I wouldn't need them wax because my shit's so thin, but I do have little bitty hairs. Yep. And she also does henna brows, y'all, so if y'all are interested in that, she does that as well. Oh yeah, henna and tattoo brows. So yeah, this is my first time doing the brow lamination. I got my brows microbladed before. Girl, she had me in that bitch crying.
What? Are you serious?
I didn't know
I
it
was
was
gonna ask if you had work done on your eyebrows.
Yeah, does it look like it or?
I can just see like the pigment underneath the skin.
Yeah, it's like a little bit still there, girl. So imagine how thin my eyebrows used to be, girl, like thin. But like she had me crying, that bitch. I didn't.
What? She didn't numb you?
She did numb me, but like I've never had a tattoo before. So like, girl, she looked down at me.
And
she
people
was
get
like,
mad when I tell them like I won't do their eyebrows if it's like their first, if they don't have any tattoos, because it's basically a tattoo on your face. You need to like
But I
be
thugged
mentally
it out.
prepared for that.
I remember when Beyonce came out with that song, Beauty Hurts. Anytime I go through something, bitch, I just, Beauty Hurts. That's all I sing. Do the pain, bitch.
Do the pain.
That's the only thing that's going to get me through it. Like, I'm going to be beautiful after. So bad. She was like, yeah, this is a tattoo, so if you never got one before. I was like, yeah, I've never had one before. She told me come back for another session. I never came back.
You didn't go back for your touch-up?
Hell no, that shit hurt.
See, I don't do right.
Let me just jam in. You know what's crazy? I be forgetting Young Dolph died.
I really do too. I feel like it wasn't a lot of commotion after like everybody like kind of came to terms with it.
A lot of people been dying lately. Oh my gosh. Did you hear about that girl from SU?
Yes, that shit was crazy.
Girl, you know she went to DeSoto too?
I didn't know that until I think it was her cousin or somebody that made a post and was like, basically.
She was a cheerleader too.
That's crazy. What year did she graduate?
Girl, 2021.
Damn.
So like when we were seniors, she was a freshman.
That's crazy.
I think it's really important people take a social media break. Maybe even more recently. Maybe once a month. 3 days out the month. For mental issues. Because she felt like she wasn't, she said, you know, she felt like she was letting everybody down. Girl, you was in college.
You doing your part as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, like,
it's
as long as you ain't selling your ass or your soul, I think you're doing pretty good. Hope her family's okay. It's really sad.
Yeah.
It is 12:54. Yeah, we already did the lamination, so just tinting the brows. They look really natural. Okay guys, so when you have your Singer Heavy Duty in front of you, you want to put your length at 4. 4 is the longest length, and when you're doing 2, you want it to be at its longest length so that you can stretch it.